It's K-Drama Fanatics here, and welcome back to my channel. The series opens with Hagyong giving us an overview of Patan, the place where she lives, and how it slowly destroyed her humanity as we see her life with her neighbor, which turns sour after someone close to them dies. In the present, Hagyong works as an architectural public official and is fantastic at problem solving. After helping her boss disperse the angry mob of all people outside their office, she heads over to sell her old house, which holds many bittersweet memories. Either way, with the sale almost fixed, she comes across an untoward problem. She realizes too late that the ownership of the house has been transferred from Giho to Doha, which leaves her in a big bind. With an unknown shared history, she is unwilling to speak to Doha, but has no other option but to do so or risk losing the buyers. She sends him some choice words, which results in him sending a lawyer her way. But that hardly solves anything because she threatens to sell all of his stuffs and demands more child support. That night, Doha arrives at her doorstep and, at first, Hagyong is stunned. But the two eventually start to bicker soon enough, although Doha is unwilling to sell the house. He, furthermore, tries to stop her from going through with the wall demolition project, and after enough residents back out due to fear of flooding, she tries to prove her expertise by breaking down her own wall. That does not work out well for her, and in the end, Doha tells her that he won't sell the house under any circumstances. A frustrated Hagyong threatens to file a lawsuit in that case, which she agrees to. However, that night, he asks her whether she really hates him as much as before, and after thinking back to every summer she's had since Doha came into her life, she is unable to answer him. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.